Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $20 with very easy, very super easy online tasks that will only take 5 to 15 minutes of your time to do, and it's going to be really fun stuff. Okay guys, so let's get started right now. Alright, here we are. This is the site I want to show you today where you could do very easy online tasks to earn very easy money, okay? And this is going to be paying out in PayPal cash, guys, okay? You will earn PayPal using doing very easy tasks. And this is an app for your phone. Now, the app it is for both iOS and Android, but for some reason I was not able to get it on my US iTunes store, and it said that it was available in India's iTunes store, but I didn't switch my store just to see it on the iTunes store. So if you guys would need to check that, okay, for the iTunes. But otherwise, Android is for sure works on Google Play if you go search it on Google Play. But what this site is called Rewardable, and it's found at rewardable.com. And what you're doing here is there are 6 ways for you to earn, as you can see here. So you could do at-home things. From at home, you can just watch videos to earn. You could complete surveys, or you could do enter the daily sweepstakes, or you can walk around your town to give feedback on products for brands and companies that want to know about how the products are doing in the actual stores. So they send people like you and me into stores to check on their items, and so they're going to pay you for these tasks, okay? So you either give product feedback, or you go and visit a retail store, or answer some kind of trivia, or answer some questions that they want you to find out about their particular product, okay? They've already paid out over $5 million. And how this works is that you go on complete simple tasks like doing the surveys, watching videos, or doing sweepstakes, and then also doing those other tasks for the brands and companies to help them with their marketing to make it a better promotions for you guys. And then if you do those tasks, you'll earn enough rewards to cash it out in PayPal money. And then as your profile grows, you will earn more as well. So that's how it works in general. I'm just going to go to the Google Play here. Google Play has a rating, a very good rating of over 4 stars, so 4 point something. What was it? 4.4 star out of 21,000 reviews. So that's a very good review for this app. And see here is some of the screenshots. So you're basically, you could earn the rewards, the points here for whatever you want to try out. So these are apps that you can try. So this is OpenTable. This is like a reservation type app for restaurants, and it says app functionality check. So here you need to install and try to make sure it's functioning the way that they want you to test it. Same with Ride Scout. You would do the same kind of thing. Just depends on what they are looking for. So you can basically test apps on here to earn points. And then here's the work stuff that you can do. You go into local businesses to find out if these things are where they need to be. So for example, Wendy's, they want you to go into this specific store in New York to verify some kind of menu item. And all you gotta do is go and check it, and you get $4 for that. I mean, that is a very easy task to do. Here's a price check task. You just gotta go to this Whole Foods store, which is very close to you, and you earn $7 to check a price. Now that is a good deal, I think. And then look, this is, I mean, how easy is this? You can earn $11 to check how clean Lululemon store is. That is unbelievable. And then now you could do stuff like take on a product trial. and earn $4. So these are a lot of different things. And look at, there's a map for you to check what kind of tasks you want to do, and then just go for it. It does not take you that long, as you can see by the examples. You earn money for collecting data and providing insights on products, services, and store conditions. Do as few or many tasks as you like. Successfully completing tasks builds your status, resulting in access to more and higher paying tasks. Compensation, generally tasks will pay a few dollars all the way up to $20 and take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. Task compensation varies, of course, depending on the complexity of what you need to do. And then the types of tasks. So you want to see what types of tasks you could get. You could say, here's one example, record wait time at a restaurant. I mean, here's easy, right? I mean, if you're at a busy restaurant, I guess you may need to wait longer than 15 minutes, so maybe this task will take longer, but literally you're not doing anything though. You're just waiting, right? Photograph a promotion in store. So sometimes the brands or companies want to make sure that the promotion is indeed on at the store that they said that they were going to, do the promotion for them. So they send someone like you to go photograph it for proof to make sure that, the promotion is happening. Count the number of products on a shelf. So something like this probably just takes a few minutes to do. And then rate the quality of customer service at a store. I mean, these are really simple tasks, guys. Really won't take you much to do. And from the examples that I see on here as well. So that's why this app is rated pretty well. And it's got over 21,000 people reviewing it. So let's see how many downloads. It's got more than 100,000 downloads. So it's been working for a lot of people. And it's a good app to check out if this is something you want to do. So for this app, Rewardable.com, you can make some decent money with it, because as you can see that the more that you do on the app, the more your profile will get aged and more history of how often you do it. But this is definitely a great way for you to start making some money online. And I really hope that when you get this money and earn it, that you will save it and invest it in a program that can teach you a much bigger way to earn online, guys. Okay, make some money, you save it, and then you're going to go into a program like the one in the first link of this video description, where you can learn how to build an online income and have it passively, have it earn passively, so that when you stop working, you are still earning, guys. Okay, so that's how I make money online, guys. I use this business model to earn when I work, when I eat, when I sleep. I earn no matter what. So I could work at my own schedule and still be earning any time of the day. And that's the type of online income that you want to start building, because doing little apps like this, yes, you get fast money. It is fast money, but it's a little bit of money. It's not anything that you can really depend on, like for like a full-time online income. It's not like that. So a program like the one underneath the video description, the first link, that kind of program will teach you exactly step by step how to get earning bigger money. Like I'm telling you, thousands of dollars a month, where you can really depend and even quit your day job if that's your goal. Okay, so there's that kind of potential online, and it's not from these kind of sites you see that I've introduced you today. It's going to be more like the programs that are like the one I am telling you to check out in the video description below, because it teaches you a business model that leverages other people's products, and that is how you can leverage being able to earn anytime online, guys. Okay, so go ahead and check out the first link in the video description below. I hope you join me, and I will help you in the near future. Okay, guys, so I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. All right, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I really hope I see you on the next one, guys. All right, have a good one. Bye.